What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today, finally the day. I told y'all, man, we finna have Meech coming back, man. We finna have Meech coming back, man. Look, y'all. All this is for Meech. We finna go drop all this in a little more. I already dropped some. And Meech, I told y'all, it coming back. We finna put all this in Meech. I told y'all, serious, man. Went to the bank. I'm finna put all this in Summit. Today, me, wife, and Teeny about to go, man, and the OG about to come back, man. So, and it's a few more things. I'm getting some stuff for Meech, but I'm getting a couple things for R&B too, the exhaust system. So, but still, all that going to Meech, cause I done did the factory. So, I'm showing that so people can understand. I always show y'all how much, and I tell y'all how much stuff cost. So people can understand the gist of what goes into this. It's not to floss and brag and all that. It's to show people exactly how much goes into these cars. Now y'all know the engine already built, but then I got to spend all of this around the engine. Right there. I got to spend all of that. That's $1,000 right there. So this $9,000 I got to spend, and I already spent really 10 cars. I had to order a couple parts for Meech. From somewhere other than Summit, cause Summit didn't have them, which they'll be on the way. But that's just how much, like, that got to go around the engine. Then you factor in what the engine costs, what it costs to build it, which is a pretty penny. That's what I'm saying. Like, these cars get expensive, man, just the drivetrain stuff. So, and I'm gonna be switching the ring over. Oh, and I gotta call Moser. Y'all ain't gonna see that. I gotta call Moser, order some axles, cause we gotta change the axles out, and then I have to order a drive shaft, another 3-inch drive shaft, which gonna be another $1,000. So you're talking about probably like 10 and a half, man. Cause I'm trying to just get everything I need, so I don't have to wait, and then we can get this thing rolling. So we finna get in Summit. We finna get up there. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the truck, cause the truck gonna be loaded down, and we're gonna bring everything back, and I'm gonna find somewhere to put it. I told y'all, man, I really didn't want to buy this stuff until I'm finna literally send the car off. So I'm probably gonna call Jason on the way, like, hey man, let me bring it, and then I bring the parts too. I ain't got nowhere to put this stuff, man. I got shifter, spindles, which we're gonna change the spindles probably next week. Me and Rick. Y'all see Rick in the vlog, man. He coming through. We're gonna get that done next week, so I gotta go by AutoZone, get the brake stuff to switch that over too. But that's enough talking, man, cause we got a lot to do today. So turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Checking in, man. We made it here to Summit. So I'm gonna have to, man, I need to get some more cash out. I'm trying to get all cash. But when it all said and done, the junk here gonna be about 10,000. And parts. One reason because too, I gotta get another valve body for Dolo. I gotta get a 1-2 lead valve body, man. I got to. I kinda got a feeling on what happened and why it tore up. I got a feeling, but I could be wrong on no. But just to be on the safe side, I gotta change the valve body, man. I got to. Cause I done grenaded that bad boy. But we finna go in here, so say I need to get some more cash out, man. But we're gonna go ahead and get everything going. They got everything in stock. So we should be good. Then we gotta order the dry shaft. We gotta do that. And what else? Dry shaft. We got to have that to get it running. I'm trying to think, y'all. I gotta get a battery. I'm probably gonna need a new battery. Nah, I got warranty on that. We good right there. I gotta get a dry shaft. I gotta get a battery hold down. Cause y'all know what happened last time, boy. I like to flip the battery, clean up out of there. Oh, the axles. The axles. I got to get the axles, man, cause I just be scared, man. I'm just gonna tear some junk all to pieces, boy. Like, it's just gonna shear the studs out, like, whoo. So I got to get axles, man. Stuff like that, I be thinking more like safety-wise, and I got to have it. So, Meech, man, you get in the bag, man. So, hey, you better come on. You better do right, man. You better do what you supposed to do. Told y'all save the best for last, but this is why, because y'all seeing this junk take a lot of money, man. But I'm finna quit talking because we still got a lot to do. So, y'all just stay tuned. Y'all see, man, we back here again, man. Back here again, man. But I'm finna pad the camera over to wifey, man. Wife finna be the camera person. Then we gonna load that bed up, man. It been a long time coming. Y'all, hey, I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie, man. I was thinking about buying another car. Then I said, me and wife were talking about it. I said, man, I mess around and get another car. I still got the Finny Big Meech, no matter what. So I like, might we're gonna do it, but 60 days. We shooting for 60 days. I'm shooting to have oil pressure in 60 days. We're gonna drop the car next week, actually. So we finna get the ball rolling, man. Then we're gonna remix R&B too. Well, we're gonna remix the exhaust on R&B too, cause like I said, I'm getting a lot of Big Meech stuff, but I'm getting stuff for R&B too. Like, I'm getting the exhaust system for R&B, so you know, we about to do that too. So we're gonna be doing multiple things, man, and all that. Y'all see the two sleepy people.
Not sleep.
They was sleep, man. They don't never stay up. Hey, y'all, that kiosk thing, boy, that's the coolest thing ever over there. They put your package in there. See, you ain't never saw it.
No, I haven't.
The last few times I bought something, they come in there, you box. Then they gotta go in. You just go in there and get it. Yeah, Summit, man. Summit Racing. Y'all seen my other vlog channel. Y'all see that channel, man. Y'all need to go and put me in there on the turntable now. I got too many. I want to be the first person to have both sides locked down. I want to have my Air 10 in there. We put brown coat in there, and we'll put R&B in there, man. Have them on the both sides. They got a bike in there. Your car. You have to want your own car to be in there. Hey, you have to want your. She got your own fleet. Mine called the fleet. What's your car?
Just having.
Yeah, she just got her Monte Carlo and Escalade. That's it.
It's like at 96.
Well, you better drop some more YouTube videos. Nah, we got street cars. We got fast old school street cars. So I told them we should have drove the Cutlass up here. Well, it's a clean little red Cutlass pulled up out there, like I said in the morning. I told them we should have drove the Cutlass. But y'all look, I'm finna turn the camera. Get up here. It's a mean line, look like. So yeah, they got Vipers in here today. They got Vipers in here today. Yes, indeed. We need this. We need this setup right here. We need this setup right here. Nah, not that right there. Not that little cart.
That's what I really could use for the when I go pick strawberries. I be need something.
You talking about strawberries? Look, she talking about putting strawberries in the summer cart.
Yeah, because they have so many and I can carry it.
Ooh, I ain't getting it. $100 for this. Y'all know, hey, I'm over here complaining about $100 a cart. I'm finna go spend 10 in the car. Huh? Yeah, that'll be, now that'll come in handy. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all back on.
Getting money every day, yeah, I got a habit. Enroll myself in rehab, I'm a money addict. Got a team full of slaves, we in overdrive. What y'all talking about? My whole team certified. Bitch, I'm certified, I'm up in the building. Bitch, I'm certified, I'ma make $1 million. Bitch, I'm certified, I'ma get this money in. Bitch, I'm certified, I'ma make $1 billion. Every day I hit the streets, grip my money tight. It's the root to all evil, but it feels right. I gotta get it, gotta have it, it's my cocaine. Hit the shake jump, bitch, I'ma make it rain. I'm going insane, man, I'ma lose my mind. Bitch, my whole team certified, we grind. I ain't new to.
Alright, y'all, checking in, so there we go. We got all of this. I mean, I run through everything. We get it to the house and all that, but we're gonna take it straight to the shop. But I run through everything, cause like I said, some of this stuff for R&B, well, like that, they're for R&B and stuff. So, but I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we're checking in, y'all. So we back from Summit, and man, finally got all the stuff unloaded. Man, it's everywhere. Stuff is everywhere, man. But what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do another video call. I gotta organize this, man, and I'm gonna do a more formal video showing y'all all the parts I got. And after that, hey man, I'm just gonna keep it real with y'all. Next time y'all see the car, it probably just gonna have oil pressure. I think Jesse gonna shoot a few videos showing a little bit of the process, but for the most part, next time y'all see the car, it's gonna have oil pressure. I told y'all I'm gonna do it. Now if you're in the BCG Hangout, I mean, you'll see, cause it was my original plan. Y'all probably like, why you doing that? It was my original plan to do it like this anyway. I wasn't gonna say nothing at all. I was just gonna buy the stuff, make the car disappear, and when nobody gonna know nothing. And I was just gonna crank it up and then put it back, and then wow, it was gonna fall. But that's what the BCG Hangout is. It's videos that I normally wouldn't be recording. It's times I normally wouldn't be recording, and I turn the camera on and show them or whatever. So that's what the Hangout is. Just all the times I used to not cut the camera on, I cut it on and I show. But say we got everything, man. I mean, I got some stuff for R&B too, but I'm gonna go over that video what I got for R&B and stuff. And the rest of it, the most of it is Big Meech, man. And all the stuff, it came out to 10,200 and some 200 and some change, man. It was something like that. 10,200 and some change. Put y'all on some game too where I did stuff where I did. Now, you going to Summit, you're gonna drop a big load of cash. Same thing like taking money out the bank. Man, when you start getting double digits, 5 figures and more, paying to Summit or going out the bank, man, you have to fill out a form. You got to fill out a form, man. You start spending 10 or more. That's why y'all, part of the reason I took out 9. Now, I wasn't sure, but they do that. So, you don't want to, take out 9,000 and do the rest on your card. That's what I did today. That's just a free game. You're going to have to fill out a form, basically, man. What you do, all of that stuff, because it's a big load of cash. Because before this, the most I spent at Summit, cash, was like $8,500 or something like that. I spent 5,000 plenty of times, 7,000 this that, but 8,500 with the most. I spent, like I said, this stuff was 10.2 thousand, but and we still got some stuff to get. I still got to order $1,000 dry shaft. The shocks gonna be like 28, somewhere up in there, 3,000, and then what I got to get? Oh, the axles. The axles probably gonna be another 500. So you know, it's still stuff to get, man. I'm gonna order the axles. A couple days, cause we're in the weekend now. So I'm gonna order the axles in a couple days. Get them on the way, and shoot, we're gonna be ready to go, man. We're gonna be ready to roll. Like I said, I just gotta get this stuff organized. We're gonna show y'all today everything I got, but I gotta get this stuff organized, man, so I can get it in order. I need to do a checklist myself. And still, this ain't everything. I got some stuff coming. That's another reason I want the weight car. I don't want to be spreading it out. I want to show y'all when the rest of the stuff get here, which it should be within the next, within the week. Within the week, the stuff will be here. Now I told y'all I had to order a part from Meech that Summit didn't have. So I got like 5 or 6 pieces that I bought that ain't even here, man. Like that y'all can't even see. Like it's like 5 or 6 pieces. So I'm gonna try to get everything coming at the same time. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and call Moser, get that order placed so they can go ahead and do the custom axles and stuff. And what I try to do, I gotta buy a tack too. I probably gonna grab that tomorrow, man. I got to have a tack. A tack, it ain't just for look, like I got to have it. So I'm probably gonna go get that tomorrow, and I'm gonna call and get the axle order first thing Monday. And I got something else coming to the channel too, man. I got something on the way, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all stay tuned. That week gonna be pretty lit. Meech should be out of here next week too. Out of here, man. We finna get the ball rolling. Told you I ain't gonna take all day. It's just that it gonna take some time and work, cause it's a whole build. Like, y'all gotta understand, Meech getting done from scratch. Like, new fuel system, everything. Like, ain't nothing getting used that was on there. Y'all know it had the small block in it first, which is the engine in wifey car, which was the crate engine I bought out of AutoZone. Then he put 3,000 miles on it, man. Put it in wifey car, cause that was the plan anyway. Run it in Meech a little bit, let it see how it do, put it in wifey car. So that's where it's at. So this starting from scratch, man. Y'all know that car back when I had on YouTube all them years ago. Not the first beginning. If you saw Meech clips at the first beginning, when I had the gold like wheel, painted gold wheels on it with the spinners and stuff, I had a small block then. It was not big block. It was a 355 small block back then. Then when I started acting a donkey and stuff for real, you can hear the difference though. They one had the big block. So we talking, man, I sold the car 2011. 11 years, man. This car has not had a big block in 11 years since under my possession, my ownership. So it about to be, boy, it about to be bittersweet, man. When I crank that car, just know, man, when I crank it up with the small block and had oil pressure and it moved, man, I shed some tears. I honestly did. I think that was on JMalcom 2004 ride, but I shed some tears, man. That car means something to me, man. So, you know, it just is what it is. But I'm about to we about to get oil pressure, man. It going down. We finna do it all up. New fuel systems. Got something else, man. Every time I get to talking, I think about something else I gotta get. Oh boy. Probably go ahead and place an order, man, cause I just thought about some more stuff I got to get. But it is what it is, man. I think I got everything for the most part. I think I do. Yeah. But anyway, if I don't got it, I just have to get it, man. It is what it is. But yeah, we coming back. We coming back, man. We're gonna do some stuff with R&B too. I got another plan for that too. Got to get the transmission straight in Dolo. I'm gonna tell y'all what I really think happened in another video. But I don't know, we got everything cooking, man. But that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.